All right, guys, welcome back. Today I am playing scientist, chemist, idiot. Anyway, what I want to do today is talk about waterless wash and waxes. And for me, nothing is going to beat these two. These are two of my favorite waterless wash and waxes. They can make rinseless wash and waxes, whatever. We're talking about something infused with the wax. So we got the McKee's N914 rinseless waterless detail spray. Very simple. Buy this, dilute it down, make your spray. Cool. Duraglass 932. It's their rinseless wash. Same thing like the McKee's. Rinseless waterless detail spray. Mix it down. You've got a wax infused product. Top-notch products, very affordable. They work. Now, so if you really wanted to make something easy, buy those and mix them down. But what if you don't have those products and you have something like, I'm going to just use something else, like an O&R. A lot of people have O&R because it's so universal. So you have an O&R, and then you have sealants or wax products that are specific. So you've got a ceramic wet wax from Turtle Wax, a beaded up from 3D, or maybe you have a detailer that has polymer protection in it, like Speed Shine from NextZet. Can we make a waterless from these products? Okay, so this one is kind of probably the lightest one, the thinnest one that you can get on there. But I think if I just dilute these by themselves, I have these 3 bottles here, and I filled them pretty much the same, maybe about 15-16 ounce bottles here. So I filled them with filtered water from inside the house, reverse osmosis. And if I just put like an ounce of each of these into there, I don't think it's going to have the cleaning ability. It will dilute these products for a protection standpoint, but it won't have the cleaning ability to clean those panels, in my opinion. So what if we also put an ounce or a half ounce, let's just say a half ounce of O&R into each of these, and then an ounce of each of those in there as well. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'll label these off for each one of these products, and we'll see how it goes. I got a car next door that's sitting in the sun. We're gonna do this in the sunlight. I've got a nice big dirty hood to use, and they don't even know I'm gonna experiment on their car, but it is what it is, and we're gonna go over there, sneak over there, and we're gonna clean that hood one way or the other. So stay tuned. Let's check out this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And I have no idea if this is gonna work or not. I'm not saying it's gonna work. I'm not saying it's not gonna work. It's hot. It's like hitting the 100-degree mark. I'm already sweating. I just walked outside and I'm just doing this right now. All right, guys, let's do it. Okay, I've got my 3 products made, the Turtle Wax, the 3D, and the NextZet. I've got 1 ounce, or I'm sorry, I've got half an ounce of O&R and then 1 ounce of each product in there. I also have a Koshemi waterless wash here. I can't think of what's the name of it, but anyway, this will be our standard one. So I'll try this next to these, and we'll see if these can compare to something that I know is already fantastic. All right, so this is our hood here. As you can see, we've got some poop. It's the car is super dirty. You can see all the water spots or the dirt that has rained on there. I mean, it's filthy everywhere. Okay, so let me set up here. Okay guys, I've got the Koshemi product. I'm just gonna spray this right down the middle here. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but right down the middle here is the co-shimmy. It is really darkened up and clean that middle of that panel there. The first up I've got is the Turtle Wax with O&R. Now this is their ceramic wet wax. I'm gonna do this upper section here. That feels unbelievable. Super slick. Look at that. Let me flip this towel around so we can see. So the co-shimmy feels nice. You can feel the difference when I get to the lines. But this one, wow. That's awesome. All right, over here I have the NextZet Speed Shine. I'm gonna spray this down here. Very nice, but I notice it's not as good as that Turtle Wax felt. Definitely not as good as that. Oh yeah. Co-shimmy does feel nice. This is the best. This one's third place, so this is the Speed Shine. Okay, now I have the 3D Beat It Up. I'm gonna switch towels here. I'm gonna spray this up top here. Ooh, that's nice too. Unbelievable. Very, very nice. Okay guys, so from my vantage point, ooh, that's hot. But this just feels amazing. This is the Turtle Wax. Awesome. This is the Speed Shine. It's all right. This is the Beat It Up. And this is the co-shimmy. All right, guys, I really had to make this quick because it's absolutely roasting out there. So we've mixed all these products. Now, what I've come to kind of think of is I was making these into a waterless wash. Fantastic, fantastic working product. We got ½ ounce of O&R into about 16 ounces of water, and then we've put hybrid Turtle Wax, ceramic wet wax, 3D Beat It Up, and NextZet Perfect Shine, 1 ounce into each bottle. Used them as waterless washes. They all worked fine. I use the co-shimmy waterless wash as my standard in that test, and that worked very, very nice as well. But what I'm going to tell you is, after using these, the slickness upon removal is amazing. So my two favorites would be the hybrid solutions and the 3D Beat It Up. Phenomenally slick. It cleaned the paint well because of the O&R, and the slickness from these products was awesome. I should go spray some water on there and see what the hydrophobics are. Both of these are pretty equal, okay? I'm probably gonna say the Turtle Wax ceramic wet wax might be a hair, but I really can't tell the difference in those two. My third place winner would be the Perfect Shine. Now, it's funny because I use this as my middle ground, and to be honest with you, these two beat out the co-shimmy. They're slicker and just nicer, but this one is still very slick and very nice to use. This one you can just feel the difference. It's far down on the list. let me get a water bottle. I'll go spray those panels and let's see how they bead. Okay, so here is, it's so hard to see in the sun. Here is the turtle wax. So there's your beading on the turtle wax. Here's the next set. Pretty nice too. Here's the Koshemi. All right, and here is the 3D beaded up. Come on, water. So 3D beaded up Koshemi. Next set, turtle wax. So I'm going to say the 3D beaded up has the most circular and even beads. Actually, the next one is the next set. Has better looking beads on it. The turtle wax, well, it looks good. And the Koshemi, last place in the beading, I'm going to say. Okay, so that was pretty interesting about the beading. I didn't really know what to expect, but we're gonna say the 3D beaded up was number 1. The perfect shine was actually number 2. Then, I think the Koshemi and the ceramic wet wax in that order. But they all beaded fine. I mean, we're talking a waterless wash or even a detail spray. So you're making your own detail spray with 1/2 ounce and 1 ounce of these products. It's gonna feel good. It's gonna be nice and slick, especially if you use these 2 products here. It's gonna be fantastic. These other ones, it's gonna work well, but obviously it's gonna work better there. So my choice probably would be the 3D beaded up because you're getting the slickness and the beading. But for another one for price, I think this is pretty cheap at the store. I don't remember, but everyone always says these hybrid products are cheap, so you really can't beat that. This is a 26 fluid ounce bottle, so you know you're gonna make a lot of detail sprays or waterless wash out of that. Hope you guys like this test. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. I know I'm just being stupid today, but it was kind of interesting, right? A little fun to hang out and see what we're doing here. Talk to you guys later. Stay tuned for the next video.